Welcome to Click2School, the world's first AI-powered integrated tutoring and learning platform. This video tutorial is a step-by-step guide to help you get started with creating AI-powered classes and courses for your current and prospective students. Firstly, it's important to have a complete and informative profile to attract more students and to help us market you. As soon as you log in, you will be directed to the teacher's dashboard where you can complete your profile and change your password. Click on Profile and enter your details like name, phone number, and grades and subjects you teach. Please also provide a short and informative bio in the additional information section. And don't forget to add a picture to your profile. Once you're done, you'll be ready to create awesome courses and conduct online and offline one-on-one or group classes, integrating AI with teaching. To create a class, navigate to the Classes tab in the left panel of your dashboard. Click on Create Class and enter basic class information like grade, attached course, and class type. When you press Create Class, you will be directed to the Class Details page. This is where you manage your class schedules and student enrollment. You can change the name of the class, assign a substitute teacher to teach for you, edit the course attached to the class, or change the class type. When you switch from a one-on-one class to a group class, the Max Students field is enabled, where you can set the maximum number of students who can enroll in that class. The Payment Type field enables you to monetize your classes and courses. You can set your class to be free, or you can set the payment method to per class, one time or monthly. For one-on-one and group classes, you can further schedule the classes using our calendar management system. For live classes, you can provide a meeting URL that will be included in the automatic class enrollment email and class reminders sent to the students. You can also set the corresponding class fee and select the applicable currency for the class. You can also further edit the class description here and choose which course content to make available to the students as the class progresses. Based on the class times provided by you on the class description page, class batches are automatically created. You can manage them from the Class Batches tab. I had provided 2 time slots for the class, so 2 batches have been created here. Here, you can manage class schedules and make a class batch active or inactive. This is also the place where you can add students to your class. To do so, go to the Students tab and add students by their email addresses. As soon as you add a student, automatic email reminders are sent to the students to join the class and to register on Click2School platform if they are not already registered. Every class batch comes integrated with a discussion forum. Teachers and students can use the class discussion forum to interact and share class-related information or contents. The discussion forum is also integrated with the automatic email reminders. When you create a new class, there is no course material assigned to it. This is where you can use Courses feature to create shareable content for your classes. You can attach a course to your class and make its content visible to students registered for the class. Let's see how you can create courses. To manage existing courses or to create a new course, click on the Courses button on the left panel of the teacher's dashboard. On the Courses dashboard, you can edit an existing course or create a new course. When creating a new course, you need to assign a title to the course and select grades in the Tracks field. You can also decide whether to keep the course private so that only you can teach it, or make it public if you want others to use your course material for teaching as well. Once the course is created, you can edit course details and add relevant information about the course. You can build and structure your course step by step by adding more chapters or units. For each chapter, you can add and manage study materials, quizzes, and tests. Students enrolled in classes based on this course will be able to see everything you have here. To create quizzes and tests and add them to your courses or send them to your students, click the Quizzes button on your main dashboard and choose Create New Quiz. Here, you can create practice or timed tests and add quiz descriptions. Once you save a quiz, you will be directed to the quizzes page where you can add questions. You can select from various question types such as single choice, multiple choice, true, false, essay type, numeric type, or free text type questions. Set the correct answer for each question for automatic grading. Afterward, you can preview the quiz and add it to your course. You can also send the quiz link directly to your students. With automatic grading and quiz review features, you can track results and students' performance. You can also utilize Click2School's numerous AI capabilities to enhance and improve your teaching through the AI teaching assistant. Create a test with simple prompts and then add it to your course or share it directly with your students through the discussion forum. You can also ask the AI assistant for grade-specific question answering, essay writing, text summarization, or any of your custom teaching needs. We welcome you to Click2School and wish you all the best for your tutoring journey.